All right, to sell, we have inefficient price action, and we have efficient price action.
So is supply and demand different from order block?
Don't worry, you'll get it close. You get everything together now.
All right.
I'm actually going to teach you supply and demand together with all of this. It's actually part of it together.
Okay.
Okay. So, what is order block? Okay, you already said that. You said it's the last buy candle before the sell move, or the last sell candle before the buy move, right?
Yes.
But let's forget about it being a candle or something for now. Let's just look at what it could actually mean as a definition. Like, fundamentally, what does it mean for something to be an order block? Look at the name, order block.
Sounds like, I don't know, like where orders might be tracked or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, sounds like that, yeah?
Yeah, sounds like it.
Okay. And it also sounds like a block that has orders in it.
Oh yeah, or that, yeah.
And if there is order somewhere, then it has to be picked, right?
Yeah.
So that's what another block is.
Okay.
Another block is just, that's why I tell people, stop looking for a definition that is not missing. The name itself is a definition. Another block is a block that has order in it. Simple.
Right, yeah.
Other block order. Another block is the block that has order in it.
Same thing, yeah.
Right? So we are going back to the other block to pick the order that is in it.
Okay.
Right? So now, when we now look at when we talk about the last buy candle before the sell move, or the last sell candle before the buy move, that is sponsored candle.
Okay.
Okay, that is a sponsored candle.
Hello?
I'm with you, man. Okay.
Oh, I thought
So
I froze.
no. Now, you see, the thing there is, for you to really trade this market consistently, right?
Mm-hmm.
You need to understand why everything that is happening in the market is happening.
Yeah.
What is provoking a particular move? Why did this turn here? Every turning point in the market has a reason. So you need to know why it's happening that way.
Right.
What is responsible for this turning point? What's responsible for the other turning point? What's responsible for this turning point? No matter how tiny the move is, there's a reason. Right? So you need to know the reason behind it. And if this one is different from this one, what made it different? You need to know. So this way you are well equipped with every tiny detail of the market. And once you understand these tiny details and you can put it into proper trading, you hardly come out of the trading day with a loss.
Yeah.
If you take a loss now, you'll be like, okay, I know what happened there. Don't worry, I'll catch you next. Like you to get to a point, you don't even treat this as a business anymore. You just treat it like a playground. You'll be like, I took a loss there, then you just smile. Oh, I took a loss there.
It's like you fell and scratched your knee, you just get back up.
Exactly. You understand? Like, I've had people that will be like, oh, so boss, when I was trading, I took a loss here, then I knew it was going to drop, so I sold there again, right? You know, it's just yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Like, once you understand the true intentions of price, sometimes you'll be like, oh, London was not too good, I took a loss, but then I have to go rest now. I need to go relax my head. I'm going to come back to New York to deal with the market. And you come back New York, you still smile, and then you get the day.
Yo, that's the goal, man. That's where I want to be. It sounds good. It sounds great.
Yeah, and I don't trade all day. London, I'm done. 2, 3, 4, max 5 trading hours, I'm done.
Get your 50%
Only on days
out.
where Yeah, and I make all my percentage within those hours. Only on days when I feel like, okay, I just want to sit on the chat, or maybe I'm chatting with somebody around and we're just having the discussion and I'm still on the chat and I see, oh, there's an opportunity there, then I just get in. That's those. Any trade you see that I picked during New York, I was not seriously trading.
Because you're just chilling by then. You already had your percentage for the day.
Exactly. That's why whenever I pick a trade during New York, and I post it, I'll be like, oh, just for fun.
And you're still profiting, so that's crazy. It's really just a game to you, huh? It's like ping pong.
Yeah, it's a game to everybody, though. Yeah, we shouldn't take it too serious, man, because one thing is when anything that has to do with money especially is very powerful. The moment you start taking money too seriously, it gets to your emotions, your psychology, everything.
Yep.
And the only way to become in control, to really have control over money, is by understanding it truly. And there is no other industry in the world that encapsulates money than the financial industry, Forex.
Yeah.
So you need to really understand it and then relax yourself. Be able to understand that if I take a loss today, I'm coming back tomorrow and I'll still smile. You understand? Okay, I don't believe any of those things that you've been told before, like, oh, Forex trading is a long-term game. Don't look at it from how much did I make this day. Don't look at it like from how much did I make this week. No, look at it from 5 months from now. How much have you made? Bullshit. 5 months from now, you should be doing two things. Either you're still trading them or trying to sharpen up your skill, or you're already trading live and you're profitable.
Yeah.
There is nothing like, okay, so I've not really gotten it, I'm still doing 5 months from now. No, you should be able to know what you're doing, right? Yeah. This is not a university course where you have different course content for 100 level, different course content for second year, different course content for third year. You have all the course content now. So you don't expect me, the course content I did in 100 level in my first year, I am going to write an examination for it, right?
Right.
Will I write the examination in my second year? No, it's the first year, and I should be able to pass that examination. So right from the first year, if you have the full course content for your Forex education, within that year or within a few months, you should be able to get something from it.
Right.
So that's the thing, man. That's the thing. All right, man. So now, but I have my own definition for order block.
Please intrigue me.
Okay. I have my definition for order block, and it's a very crazy one, and it's just because of what I noticed in the market. My definition for order block is an order block. You might want to write that down. An order block is a candle in the market that stops price from going in the opposite direction.
Okay.
An order block is a candle in the market that stops price from going in the opposite direction.
Okay. Yeah, I wrote it in my phone. I put it in my notes.
Awesome. Okay, so what am I saying in essence? If you see the market move like this, let me drink water, please.
You get Chipotle?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I want, right?
Yeah.
You got tea?
No, I can't just stop by. I didn't get you anything because I know you want pico de gallo, this and that.
So, if you see the market move like this, higher low, higher low. Market is crazy, but can do something like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. Market can do all of this. one thing you're going to realize in this whole thing that I've drawn now is that it has decisional points. What do I mean by decisional point? The point where the market decides to turn. Like here, the market decided to turn here. Decisional points. So those, we'll still talk more about those levels, transactional levels in the market. Okay. So, but let's leave it. Market turned here, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay. Let me quickly put this way. Pay attention to this one. I want to draw below here. Now, another block is the candle in the market that is responsible for price, that stops price from going in the opposite direction. So if price, this is an uptrend. If price was coming down here, this is the opposite direction, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if this gets stopped here and then goes here, then what happened? Another block stopped this price from going in the opposite direction.
Okay.
Then it continued higher. So just look to the left and say, oh, where is the other block? It could be this one, it could be somewhere here, it could be anywhere in the market.
Yep.
Are we together?
I'm following. I grab.
Awesome. Now, look at this. Yeah. If this price turns here, another block is responsible for it.
Okay.
This turns here, another block is responsible for it. This turns here, another block is responsible for it. This turns here, another block is responsible for it. This turns here, another block is responsible for it. This turns here, another block is responsible for it. Do you know why? Because at every point in time in the market, it is always moving in an opposite direction. Why? If you look at this very closely, we said this was the opposite direction. We said that was the opposite direction that is responsible for price. That was responsible for the other block to turn this way. But then there's another block here to the left that will make this price to turn here. So this, at some point, this was also an opposite direction.
Right. Yeah.
So which means the market is always moving in an opposite direction.
Okay.
Right? Which means you cannot always determine the trend of the market in the real sense.
Okay.
That is why if you look at the market closely, you're going to realize that 80 to 90% of the time the market is actually consolidating. It is until you come and start fetching out a portion of the market and you say, oh, it was trending here. Oh, it was trending here.
Right.
Oh, it was trending here. Oh, it was trending here. Right? But if you look at it together, what is this?
Just a range.
Exactly. Now, look at the real market situation. For example, here, let me go to, looking at this now, you say, what will you say? You say, okay. Hold on. Oh, sorry. I didn't share my screen. Now, if you look at this now, you say, oh, yeah, this makes sense. Uptrend, right?
Right.
Downtrend, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Uptrend, you say, oh, we're in the uptrend. We're in the downtrend. Right? Good.
Right.
But now, let me go to 5 minutes. Look at this. What trend is this?
Just consolidation or range.
Exactly. So it's not just about this time frame. I just wanted you to see how fractal it can get.
Right.
Let's go to the monthly time frame, for example. What is this? What trend is this?
Well, the monthly right now.
Look at the overall market right now. What trend is the whole market? The whole market.
Well, I don't really know. It just I don't know, because it looks like consolidation.
Exactly.
I don't know.
Exactly, that's the thing. The market is almost never trending.
Yeah.
That's why one of the best ways to trade the market is intraday, because if you're swing trading and you're looking for a trend, the market could easily come back to your entry.
Yeah. All the time. I tried them all. I tried position, I tried swing, I tried intraday, I tried everything. Nothing worked for me. But it was all structure though. All I knew was structure. And everybody says, oh, structure is king. So I thought I had it all.
King, structure is king, yeah.
It's far from it. It's the biggest lie I was ever told.
It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Okay?